In the final couple lessons, these students will be attempting to solve an actual problem that can be solved with the aid of drones. The lessons will be emphasized on identifying, analyzing, and solving problems. The lesson of this trinity revolves around studying an example of a problem that can be solved using a drone in a simulated environment. For example, the employment of drones to deliver goods in areas where roads are narrow and not easy to maneuver around. The students will then brainstorm among their groups and propose an idea where a problem can be solved. And when the viability of the project is confirmed, an approval will be given to begin working on their group work for the remaining lessons.